Let's look at the composition of the wiring harness. This is an off switch. The switch can be pressed millions of times. Very durable. This is 3-pin plug. It can be used to extend harness length if you need. The 40 amps relay allows overload and short circuit protection, can ensure safety during use, and the 38 blade fuse with rubber cap and is sealed for added waterproof protection. Our nylon material offers superior strength and flexibility. It can handle daily wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can see the comparison with PVC material in the market. Next, I would like to show the wiring process.